welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name's Nicole, and today I'll have a little surprise for you. Now this, if you haven't followed Beauty Deals BFF on Instagram, you really need to, because she'll just pop off all these deals from everywhere. She gets tips and then she passes them along and you can get free codes. But this is the ASOS Face and Body. It's just already scratched up. I just got it today. Advent calendar, and I didn't buy an advent calendar this year, and the one I really would have bought would probably been like Revolution, but it was only available at Superdrug in the UK, and I don't even know if I could have got it, but I didn't know until it was too late. But anyway, this one looked really good. She posted spoilers, and I think there's at least 7 full-size products on here, a lot of samples. Retail, or what they say on their website, it's out of stock now. I'm so sorry. I literally ordered this on Friday and it's out of stock. Retail value is $477 on everything in here. I never look for ASOS for anything, and this isn't the only thing I bought. I bought a couple pairs of pants and a couple shirts. I'm really unsure because they, you know, sometimes you hear they run small because they are like UK sized. And I try to order bigger, but I really don't know how they're going to fit. Anyway, on this, ASOS actually has high-end brand makeup as well, and they have like 25% off on a lot of stuff right now, maybe 30. So I'd go give them a look. I saw I don't know, I saw a bunch of brands. I saw Too Faced, Dr. Pawpaw, a few other brands. Like, they have a lot of brands. So yeah, I just never look for them. So anyway, I'm excited to open this up. It does tell me everything that's on the back. So yeah, but anyway, it was on sale for $74, and then you could use the code final sale for an extra 25% off. So I ended up paying like $56 for this. Originally, I want to bet it was like, since it was on the final terms, it was at least like $150 originally. It comes in this acrylic sliding case. There are 24 days. So you got boxes there. You got boxes in the back. I really don't know. I guess the first 11 or 12 are on the front side. And then once you pull them out, you'll see the ones on the back. Because look, it's like double layered. So that's cute. And I guess you could reuse this little drawer thing. Yeah, because it's like a good heft of plastic. So you pull that out. Yeah, hopefully reuse this for something. Okay, so we're gonna pull box number 1, which is like this kind of cheetah giraffe print in green. I got instructions. First thing I'm pulling out is Bare Minerals Skin Sorials Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion. It's just a sample size. I'm not gonna bother opening it up. It's like the size of this box. After cleansing, apply 2 pumps over entire face and neck. Use morning and night. This is a serum. Promotes skin vitality. Infuse with moisture. Reawaken the look of youth. Enhance skin resilience. Cool. Right, next we got box number 2, which is down this one, which is probably gonna make this entire row fall down. Yes. So box number 2, another sample size. This is from Emma Hardy. It's a Purifying Pink Clay Detox mask. It's a ½ ounce or 15 milliliters. Deeply cleanses, purifies, and balances the skin. Refines the pores and gently exfoliates. Helps to even skin tone and reduce the appearance of redness and improves moisture levels in the skin. And I am getting a scent of something, something for the skin in here. Box number 3 is this big one, so let's hope it's something full size. Box number 3, it does feel light, so let's see what's in it. It's technically a full-size item. This is from Becca Pear Tiger Grass Calming Mask. Soothes sensitive skin. It's from Dr. Jart. So that's kind of cool. I don't know if I've actually tried one of his masks or not. I am excited to have that. Actually, a divider in this box, like right here. So really, you know, if y'all want to go like Marie Kondo on your room, this is the box to get. Like I've seen a lot of people doing like the whole, like especially their like panty drawer and stuff, like using one of these things to separate that, or even makeup, like if you have drawers for makeup. Drawers in this zebra pinch. Got a sample of Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto finishing hydrator. So there you go. There's that. We got box number 5, which is an interesting one way down. Okay, good size. I don't know if it's full size. It might be. This is the First Aid Beauty face cleanser. This is 2 ounces. So I don't know if 2 ounces is their full size or if there's one bigger than that, but still, that even if it's not full size, that's at least like a $15 product, I think. So I'm excited for that. Been wanting more facial care or face wash, so I am cool with that. Number 6 is down here. Box 6 is pretty little faces all over it. Okay, we've got a mini, like rose quartz. Ooh, that's cold. Facial roller, which I really need to use one day. Go box that little one. This box probably fit a full size one. Honestly, we got some plainer boxes. The box number 7. And I've got a travel size. It's 1 ounce of Living Proof Perfect Hair Day 5-in-1 styling treatment. I actually do use this on occasion. Actually been using it more. I used it this week actually. This is a good size for me. It lasts pretty much forever because I don't use it all the time. It wears pretty well. It helps contain your frizz. So yeah, that's a good size. It's cool. Number 8 is this peach colored one. This is the full size one I read of this. This is the Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask to clear pores. It's 2.5 ounces. I do still have one about this. No, I have one in 1 ounce size. I need to start masking more, honestly. And that one's getting a little old, but so I'm okay with having this. And even if I don't end up using it, because I need to use the rest of my mask, I can, if I don't open it, I can give it to a niece for birthday. All right, number 9. And it is the Love Sleep Pillow Spray from thisworks.com. Reclaim the bedroom for sleep and intimacy with yangling and patchouli. Ooh. This is like too much, like, smells like grassy pine kind of thing. And I guess patchouli, but I like patchouli like in some of my perfumes, so I don't like this. That does not smell good, not to me. Box number 10 is this pale green down here. To it. Okay. This is the 100 milliliters or 3.3 ounces. I think they said this is a full size. This is from Nip and Fab Illuminate Vitamin C Tonic. Refreshing and Skin Awakening Tonic infused with vitamin C to reveal a glowing complexion. I believe this is a toner. I'd probably be interested in trying this. I think, no, it wasn't this brand. So, yeah, cool. Cool with me. Okay. Box number 11. Let's see, sample. Okay. This is Marvin's Classic Strong Mint Toothpaste. I mean, you know, if we get to traveling again, you might want toothpaste. Box number 12 is this cow print looking one. If I can get it out. Yes, this is a full size. This is from Aveda. This is Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. Instant Visible Repair. Protects from heat styling. Shake well. Work a small amount of product in hands. Apply through damp hair and come to distribute down rinse. So it's a leave-in treatment, heat protectorant. So that's pretty cool. 3.4 ounces. I imagine it's expensive because of Aveda. I mean, you should see the price of their hand lotion. And that's actually a different product because normally if you got something from Aveda, it'd be like a hand lotion. 13 is this one over here. If I can get it out. Full size. This is Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream This is the 1 ounce, so it's the full size. I think I still have one of these, but I'm excited to have it because I've tried LMS serum hydration juice. I actually really like that, so I'm more excited to try more LMS. This is probably like $70-$80, I'm thinking. So yeah, box 14 is this pale green one right here. And so you get 2 little samples of Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Brightening Serum. So not the moisturizer, yellow serum. It doesn't seem very full, but it's fine. And then Good Genes Glycolic Acid Treatment. Clean, purified glycolic acid, deeply exfoliates and repairs look of dull, congested skin and sun damaged skin for a visibly radiant, healthy looking complexion. Apply to clean skin as an exfoliating serum morning or night. So this is cool. I switched. I had to find something because my skin was just so dry and peeling. And I just went, let me try the Sunday Riley stuff. I have to have something that'll actually take care of it. And Sunday Riley that looks like this with some moisturizer. It worked. Box 15 is this big one right here. So this is, I believe, a full size. This is 25 milliliters, 0.85 ounces. This is Dr. Pawpaw Tinted Ultimate Red Balm. Multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pawpaw for lips, cheeks, and cosmetic finishing with a hint of tint. Fragrance-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. So this can be a balm, or I guess if you need it as a cheek color, eye color. So that's kind of cool. It's thick. Wow. That's a thick. That would be like a thick lip mask, but with color. I mean, you probably wear that like every day. It does have like a nice little stain with it. That's interesting. Okay. Doesn't have has a slight scent, like kind of freeze, but not anything uber strong or bad. Let me get this. Looks a little bit like dried blood, but you know, 16. There's this little peach one right here. Okay, this is from Shiseido. This is the Ultimate Power Infusion Concentrate, which is like a serum. I do believe. Now, thing is, Shiseido is absurdly expensive. It's really expensive. They do have a set that's on sale for about 70 something on there, maybe 80. I don't know. It's on sale. Now, I did try one this size. It lasted a pretty good while, actually. As a serum, it's worth it. It works really well. I liked it a lot. It didn't bring out my skin or anything. So, yeah, if you want to spend the money, box number 17, which is this green one down here in the bottom. I'm going to try to shift 19 out of the way. Okay, got a little sample of Too Faced Better Than Sex. Y'all know it's not my favorite. It just smudges on my lashes a lot. So box number 18 is this leopard print over here. Cheetah print, really. And I got a Becca Backlight Priming Filter base, which is the primer. And I really do like this. I think I actually ran out. That's why I switched. Or maybe because I had so much Dr. Brandt saved up that I need to use at least one of the Dr. Brandt. I really like this primer. It's a really good primer. It's an illuminating primer. Number 19, you know, it's this long box. It has a brush. It's a pretty brush. It's from Spectrum, and it's the B08. That doesn't really go with the colored handle, but it's decently soft. It's pretty soft. Yeah, it's a good highlighting brush. I tried it. Okay, 19. Number 20 is this one with little squiggles. With the pen. A decent amount of weight to it. So what are you? Okay, I've got a Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. It is a blurring primer, silicone free. I have not tried this one. I haven't really heard of that. So that's cool. You can get that in light. Cool. Let's try another primer. Number 21 is this one right here. Alright, what is is this? This is the Indeed Hydration Volumizing Lip Treatment with hyaluronic acid and pomegranate sterols. Volulip. Free from SLS and LES, perfume, phthalates, mineral oil, silicones, denatured alcohol, or colorants. Like a lot of extracts are in here. I can barely see it. It doesn't say vegan, but I'm not seeing carmine in this. That's interesting. I don't know if I need a volumizing something or another, but okay. I think this is full size. Maybe not. I don't know. That's what it looks like. So, box number 22. There are some limited edition Eyelure Linden Enchanted lashes with a little lash glue. This is called Stars in Their Eyes too. It even has a little bitty plastic applicator. Those don't look half bad. They're not like so full. And they actually look like they might actually be a little shorter, which is good for my eyes. 18-hour hold latex-free glue. This is only reusable for 5 times, but that's cool. Number 23 is this one. Okay, I think this is full size. That is a little bit thick. This is from The Ordinary. This is Caffeine Solution. To reduce the appearance of eye pigmentation and no puffiness. So this is more for around your eyes. It's really pretty thick. I'm kind of just enjoying it. I mean, caffeine's supposed to be good for black eye circulation. I'm cool with that. And the last thing is this little small thing, which is weird that it is a small thing. You think the 23rd would have been the 24th. You know, yeah, just, you know, full size item at least. That's fine. Okay, last thing you get is, oh no, this is full size. Okay, this is a MAC lipstick. So actually this is full size. The box is deceiving. This is in the shade Marrakesh, which I do not have. I actually thought this was going to be a lighter shade than what it's looking like, because that looks like a brick red, which I am cool with, like a deep blood red. I'm cool with that. Oh, that's a nice red. Oh yeah, it's like got enough warmth in it to almost lean it to a brown, so it's definitely like a true bricky brown kind of color. I actually love that. Smells good. They always smell like vanilla if they're good. Okay. I love that color. I don't have many colors like that, if any. So I'm excited. And MAC, let me tell you, put on a MAC matte lipstick. Wear it for a while before you eat or drink anything. It will last, or the color, the stain will last through eating and drinking. So I'm excited. That's actually a good 24, even though they deceived you with this really small box. That it wasn't going to be that great. But that was a good box. I forgot that was in there. And that is a great fall shade. I think it's a pretty good calendar. I mean, pretty daggone good. That was the ASOS Face and Body Advent Calendar. I'm looking forward to that next year. I mean, if it doesn't sell out, I'll probably get it when it's on sale again. But they might have a sale before then, which is as good. So, I don't know. I'll look into it. I'll keep in mind the price I paid this time, and we'll see. So, anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles!